Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's pick a card reading is about your weekly reading. So, it is from the 19th of September to 25th September. Okay, so we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. So for those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers. Now meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Pause the video if you'd like to. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and how is the week ahead going to be for you. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle, the Life Purpose Oracle, and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So pile 1 from the Tarot deck we have for you the Two of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Seven of Wands. We have the Page of Wands. Okay. We have the Chariot. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Nine of Pentacles. And we have the Ten of Pentacles. Okay. So pile 1, I feel that the week ahead, you are going to work really hard in your career, as you are going to have a lot of competition at your workplace. Yes, for those of you who are waiting for that job offer, yes, you are going to get news, a good news about that job offer. Yes, and also I feel that pile 1, financially also you are going to be very sound. Yes, your finances are going to improve. And also for some of you, I feel that you could be at a crossroad. Pile 1, you could be confused about your choosing between your career or relationship. And also some of you could be really confused about like which path you should choose in your career as well. Yes, and for those of you who are single, yes, someone new is going to come into your life. And also, yes, I feel that there is a completion of family. Could be for some of you, like a birth of a child as well. Yes, if that resonates, then congratulations, pile 1. And also for some of you, yes, you could be traveling to a new city, or even some of you could be traveling to another country as well in this week. Yes, and yes, also for some of you, good news is coming up your way if you are planning to buy a home, or if you are thinking of making an investment. Yes, this week ahead looks really good for you, pile 1. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the life purpose oracle first. Okay, now let's see what messages we have for you in your work, in your career, in this week ahead. So pile 1, we have for you leadership, take charge of this situation. Okay, then we have options, consider the career possibilities that are open to you. Okay, then we have crystals, your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel for healing energy. Okay, and then we have career change, you are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you desire and deserve. Okay, and we have you are on the right path, keep doing what you are doing because it's working. Okay, so yes, pile 1, I feel that some of you could be thinking of changing your career, and also some of you could be considering options in your career as well. And yes, some of you could get that dream job, and also there are chances of getting a promotion at work as well in this week. Yes, and also I feel that some of you could be you could start working as as an energy healer. Yes, you could work with crystals. Yes, and yes, but whatever path you choose to work upon, and whatever is that you are doing, know that you are on the right path, pile 1. Yes, that is what angels, they are guiding you. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. Let's see what is your love life going to be in the week ahead. So pile 1, from the romance angels, we have for you, stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, then we have trust. Okay, we have calling in your soulmate. Okay, and we have keep an open mind. Okay, so yes, pile 1, yes, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to keep thinking positive thoughts, and you need to be optimistic about your love life. You need to have faith in angels, in your love life as well. Yes, and also you need to keep praying, and keep visualizing, keep thinking positive thoughts, because it is going to help you, pile 1, to attract love and romance, and bring you closer to your loved ones as well. Yes, yes, and I also feel that yes, some of you are, yes, a lot of you are could be single. Yes, and also few of you, you could be waiting for your ex as well. Yes, yes, uh, but yes, you need to have trust in the angels. Yes, and have faith in your love life as well. Keep thinking positive thoughts, and also for those of you for whom this is a new person, yes, that new person, they could be different from what you expected your life partner, your partner should be like. Yes, you both could be totally different from each other. Yes, uh, Now, let's see what guidance we have for you in this week ahead from the Monology Oracle. So, pile 1, we have for you, look at the bigger picture, full moon in Sagittarius. Okay. So, yes, pile 1, angels, they are guiding you that yes, they want you to know that in this week ahead, yes, you are going to be very confident, and also you need to keep an open mind. Yes, and also for some of you, yes, travel is ahead for you. Yes, and yes, you need to start counting your blessings and keep thinking positive thoughts, and also be grateful about the positive things that you have in your life, and also have positive thoughts. And you know uh, angels, they want you to know that pile 1, that whatever is unfolding in your life in this week ahead, know that it is for your own highest good. Pile 1, yes. uh, so yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 1. I hope you all have a great week ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2, for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and how is the week ahead going to be for you. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle, the Life Purpose Oracle, and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So pile 2, from the Tarot deck, we have for you the Ace of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Eight of Cups. We have the Queen of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Tower card. Okay. And we have the King of Wands. Okay. So, pile 2, I feel that you are becoming, highly ambitious in this week. Yes. And also, for some of you, there are going to be new beginnings at work. Some of you could start something of your own this week. Yes. Uh, but I feel that the week ahead, it doesn't look that much good, as in emotionally for some of you. Yes. Also, some of you, you could spend some time alone this week to understand your own self, and also to understand, your relationship as well. Some of you could even leave behind your past, and also you could, in your relationship, if it wasn't, a good relationship, if it was toxic and unhealthy for you, yes, you could leave behind your relationship and you could move on in your life. Yes. And also, yes, pile 2, in this week you are going to be, very much connected to your emotions as well. And also, some of you could even leave behind your old self, your self-limiting beliefs, your old beliefs, your old thinking, and any past anger and grudges and any past pain as well, and uh, you move towards a new beginning. Yes, you are going to take that step forward, and also you will be focusing on your career a lot. Yes, you are going to be highly ambitious, and also some of you are going to be very creative as well. Yes, uh, for some of you who are single, yes, I feel someone new is going to come into your life this week. Yes. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle. Let's see how your work, your career is going to be in this week ahead. So, pile 2, we have for you music. Your connection to music is healing for yourself and others. Okay. Then we have animals. You understand animals and communicate with them intuitively. Trust your inner guidance as the animals are part of your life's work. Okay. Then we have school. The answer that you are seeking involves going to school. Okay. And we have environmentalist. You are an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture, and teach about nature and the animals. Okay. Animals and animals, music, school. So yes, yes, pile 2, I feel that yes, some of you, you could be learning music, or you could, you could be working as a music teacher as well. Yes, and some of you could be musicians as well. Yes, and as I told you earlier, yes, some of you are going to be really creative. Yes, and also, yes, pile 2, you people, you get along with animals very well. Yes, and also some of you could be working to protect our nature or animals as well. Yes, and yes, you could be teachers as well. And also I feel that yes, some of you could be spending time in nature, as you are going to uh, yes, you are going to understand your own self, and also for your relationship as well, as I told you earlier. Yes, because of that as well, you could be spending some time in the nature, and also you could be exploring that side of yours. Yes, that you love to protect our nature as well. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So pile 2, from the romance angels we have for you, it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay. Then we have give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay. Then we have flood. Extend your light-hearted energy to others. Then we have getting to know each other. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Okay. And we have children. Your love life is being affected by children. Okay. So yes, pile 2, yes, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to be, you need to open yourself, yes, to give and receive the blessings and love that angels are going to give you in this week ahead. Also, for some of you, yes, if you are already in a relationship, yes, you need to work on your relationship. Some of you may need to uh, explore your romantic side as well in this relationship. That is what angels, they are guiding you. And also, you know express your feelings, your desires, and get to know each other more. Yes, because as you spend some time together, as you express your thoughts and feelings to each other. Yes, um, you are going to create that bond. Yes, and your bond is going to get really deep. Yes, so angels, they are guiding you that you need to work on your relationship if you are already in a relationship, or for those of you who are single. Yes, angels, they are guiding you that it is safe for you to love. So you need to be open up to receive their blessings. Yes, and for some of you, yes, children could be affecting your love life. So yes, maybe because some of you are some of you could work in a school. Yes, some of you could be teachers, so maybe you are becoming really ambitious. So because of that, maybe you are not giving your partner that much time that you need to give. Or for some of you, maybe your partner could already have children, and that is why your love life is being affected as well. Yes, now let's see what guidance we have for you, pile 2, from the Monology Oracle. So from the Monology Oracle, we have for you, it's time to release negativity. Okay, and we have for you a time for healing. Okay, so it's time to release negativity. Okay, so yes, pile 2, angels, they are guiding you that you need to let go of any worries, any fears and tensions. Yes, and also you are going to move from living fearfully to living joyfully as well in this week ahead. Yes, and also yes, pile 2, you need to have patience as well as you move ahead. And also angels, they are guiding you that you need to surrender yourself to the angels, to the universe, and also have faith in them, and you need to listen to your inner guidance as well, pile 2. And for some of you, yes, you need to let go of any worries, anything that is not serving you, or could be your past as well. For some of you, if it was a toxic relationship, then yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to let go of that past. Yes, and also angels, they are guiding you that you need to give yourself time as well to heal yourself from anything that was not for your highest good. Yes, and angels, they want you to know that yes, things are about to change for you in this week ahead in a positive directions. Yes, there are new beginnings, pile 2. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you liked my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 2. I hope you all have a good week ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome pile 3 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and how is the week ahead going to be for you. So we will look into the messages from the Monology Oracle, the Life Purpose Oracle and the Romance Angels later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So pile 3 from the Tarot deck we have for you the Six of Swords. Okay. Then we have the Four of Swords. Okay. We have the Knight of Cups. Then we have the Strength card. We have the Four of Wands. Okay. We have the Two of Cups as well. Then we have the Temperance card. And we have the Page of Cups. Okay. So, pile 3, I feel that the week ahead, yes, this week is going to be about, understanding yourself, going within, and also about love and relationship. Yes. So, yes, I feel that pile 3, some of you could be students. Yes, some of you could be, waiting for your results. Yes, and I also feel that, yes, good news is coming up for you people. Yes, yes, you are really working hard in your studies. I feel if you are a student, yes. And also, yes, I feel that for some of you, yes, a new person is coming into your life, and that new relationship, it is going to offer you stability as well. Yes, also for some of you, you could be, getting married as well, or you could be getting marriage proposals. Yes, for some of you, you could be getting engaged as well. Like, your relationship is going to move towards the next level. Yes, if you are already in a relationship, yes, but yes, someone new is coming up and they are going to offer you their love. Yes, and this new relationship, pile 3, it is going to be a soulmate relationship as well. Yes, there is going to be, equal give and take. You both are going to be equal partners. There is going to be love and respect and care for each other. Yes, and also this week it is, you are going to have a balance and, harmony in your life as well. Yes, for some of you, I feel that, yes, uh, there could be birth of a child as well in this week, and you are going to, celebrate with your loved ones. Yes, and also for some of you, I feel that, you could travel somewhere far. Yes, could be overseas as well. And yes, pile 3, I also feel that, yes, you people need to rest and relax, as I feel that, there have been going a lot lately. Yes, but a very beautiful transformation is ahead in this week, and this week ahead looks really good, pile 3. And also I feel that, your spiritual side is also going to grow a lot. Yes, and you people are also going to be very confident as well. Very beautiful energy, pile 3. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the Life Purpose Oracle. So from the Life Purpose Oracle pile 3, we have for you creative expression. Okay, your soul longs to express itself creatively. Okay, and then we have justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. Okay, then we have travel. Okay, your life purpose involves traveling. Yes, as I told you earlier, some of you could travel this week somewhere far. And we have infinite abundance. Okay, you are fully supported as you devote yourself to your divine life purpose. Okay, so yes, pile 3, yes, some of you could be, exploring your creative side. Yes, you are going to be really creative this week. Yes, and you are going to have that confidence, you are going to acknowledge that confidence and the potential that you have to achieve your dreams. Yes, and also yes, you people are going to travel as well. And also I feel that your health is also going to improve pile 3. Some of you, you could be thinking of changing your eating habits and getting into a healthy lifestyle. Yes, you could be including a lot of fruits and vegetable intake as well. And also yes, angels, they are guiding you that yes, uh, whatever path you are working upon, whatever is that you are working, yes, your career, it you know it helps other people as well. Yes, maybe some of you could be a nutritionist as well, I feel, um, yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels and how is your love life going to be in this week ahead. So we have let your friends help you. Okay. And we have express your love. Okay. Then we have attraction. We have love yourself first. And we have retreat. Okay, and we have past life relationship. Okay, so yes, pile 3, I feel that you could meet someone through your friends or while traveling. Yes, or while you are in a holiday. Yes, and you know someone is going to yes express their love for you. Yes, and that relationship is going to be really stable as well. And yes, it is, in that relationship, yes, there is going to be a lot of attraction as well. And also angels, they are guiding you that you need to focus on your self love as well. Yes, also in your self care. Yes, and also pile 3, yes, you need to relax as well. Yes, and you, if you are already in a relationship, yes, you both could go somewhere for a trip this week. Yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to rest and relax. Yes, and we have the travel card as well. Yes, and yes, you know the one that is coming into your life, yes, they are your soulmate. And also you both, you have known each other, you have met across each other in the past life as well. Yes, you both were together in past life as well. So yes, very beautiful energy. Love life looks really great this week ahead. Now let's see what guidance we have for you from the Monology Oracle pile 3. So from the Monology Oracle we have for you Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay. And we have expect powerful change. Okay. So, yes, angels, they are guiding you, pile 3, that you need to do more exercise, you need to start taking care of yourself, your health as well. Yes, and also you need to be practical as well, like you need to focus on how can you achieve your goals. Yes, and also financially, yes, a very good time ahead in this week. Yes, and also pile 3, yes, new beginnings are ahead for you, and angels, they want you to know that whatever is happening right now, it is happening for your own highest good, pile 3. So yes, you know any step that you take right now, pile 3, it is going to take you somewhere better, yes, than where you are now. Yes, and yes, very powerful changes, beautiful changes are ahead for you, pile 3. So, yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you liked my reading. So, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So, yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a great week ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.